Hi everyone, Devin Barnett with MarineMax at Lake of the Ozarks, and today I have the privilege of showing you the all-new 2021 G23 Paragon. So if you make your way to the back here, I'll show you some cool features that they did this year. So this year, for starters, they have an integrated grab handle on the swim platform, so it's easy to get up here without using the ladder that's mounted underneath the swim platform. We also have an integrated cooler that's built into the back of the boat. Stereo control right here. Also some speakers here. And then we also have aft seating in the new Paragon. And tons of storage back here. So you can store your surfboards, wakeboards, or just any kind of other items you like to put back there. Big walkthrough, so it's easy to get here. You're not stepping on any upholstery. We have our four 8.8-inch JL audio speakers encased in our new Nautique surround system. We have our strapless board racks here. Super easy to use. A fully actuated tower that'll come down or go down. Tons of storage here as well. Also have another cooler that's here. It's fully designed by Nautique. Here we have our dual pan array screens and helm control as well. Battery switch is just a button this time. Also wireless charging. Make our way to the forward of the boat. We have here our windbreak here. And then also we have some really big loungers here. Just being comfortable sitting out here, just enjoying the ride. And then we have a sun pad here that'll flip up and then just give you this full filler cushion, and you can put tons of people up here and just enjoy your day out on the water. But if you have any questions, I'm Devin Barnett with MarineMax. You can give me a call at 573-606-3037. Thank you.